features and ponds. We may or may not have installed a water feature pond for you. If we have, this section is for you. If not, you can fast forward or go on to the next segment. But an overview will be done with your superintendent now, and we do different types of water features, different types of fountains, so everything is different. So we're going to use this segment to talk about the overall design and setup, to locate the pumps, the filters, the floats, the autofill, and a little bit of the maintenance of it. So in this situation here, we have a pretty cool little fountain. We've got lighting in this fountain, we've got water that runs over time, and this needs a little bit of weekly maintenance. So most of our water features, assuming they don't have live fish or things in them, need a little bit of chlorine on a weekly basis. Some of my customers will pay their pool service guy just to dump a little chlorine in the basin on a weekly basis, or you can come out and do it yourself. And that helps to prevent algae growth. In this situation here, we have an autofill that fills the fountain, so you'll need to go through with your superintendent on where that's located, how you can actually shut that off. You need to locate the pump and the filter, see how those work. In this case, this is a small little variable speed pump, or a little pump that sits underneath this fountain and turns on and off with a timer. So we ask that you locate the electric, how to turn on and off the feature, how to service it, how to add chlorine, and those type of things in all of our water features. So some of the items that we're going to do on water features and ponds and fountains that we've installed, we're going to discuss the overall operation of the water feature. We're going to discuss the pump location, cleaning of the intake and filters, and things like that. We're going to discuss the on and off times, like your time clock operation, and then the electrical, where a pump might plug in, or what failure might be from a GFCI reset. We're going to discuss the autofill, how it gets water, how it fills water, and how to adjust the autofill. And then the shutoff valve, of course, for that autofill. And finally, we're going to discuss chlorination and weekly maintenance required on our water features.